Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. This is Eric Mobley, your independent Scentsy consultant. So today I am celebrating as a consultant that World Tour is almost here. So Scentsy World Tour. We have an annual conference or convention that is called Scentsy Family Reunion. However, we do have like a mini conference or convention. It's more of a conference in my opinion. Called Scentsy World Tour, where Scentsy visits over 50 states or over 50 cities all over the world and has like a mini conference essentially. So luckily it is in my city this year. Last year it was like an hour away, which was fine because the year before that it was like 4 hours away. So the closest location rather. I'm really excited to attend and see my friends. I'll see a lot of my local consultant friends, and a couple of my teamies are gonna join me, and I'm just really looking forward to going to World Tour. But I wanted to share what is in my World Tour Spirit Kit, and I feel like usually it comes in like a box, but this time it came in like a bubble mailer, which I already opened and threw away. But essentially I have right here, we got our name lanyard, and it says Scentsy World Tour, and the theme of this one is, this year is Bud, Bloom, Blossom. So I love the blue color, super cute. And it took a while to print this, but I put my name, my title, my where I live, and my team name on here, and it says Scentsy World Tour. So super cute. I'm excited to wear that. And then we have 3 scent circles in a scent that is titled 2025 World Tour Exclusive. And it looks like all 3 of them are different flowers because of the theme for this year. And it looks like it's going to be a floral fruity scent based on the artwork. Looks like peaches, strawberries, and different flowers, maybe a chrysanthemum and a daisy. There's also a strawberry in here. So I'm going to open this probably after World Tour when they describe what it is. But I'm looking forward to that. And also, while we didn't seem to get much this year in our Spirit Kit, I'm excited for this because I love spiral like notebooks and journals and stuff. This is, everyone gets this. It's like a spiral. It says, "Welcome to World Tour. All you need is a seed. Use this book to take notes. Circle ideas that spark something, doodle a dream or two in the margins, and decide what's next for you. It's a good day to grow, so let's dig in." And it's super pretty. And it says, Bud, Bloom, Blossom, Scentsy World Tour 2025. Excuse me. And then this was where the name badge was. I'm just not a fan of these stickers. I know that's what they're for, but I chose not to put them on my lanyard. Oh, and then some floral stickers, super cute. I love these. And then it says, "We only grow as a community when we each do our part." And that's a Dan Orchard quote, who is Scentsy's CEO. It's pretty. This is it's very cool. I love that they did this year. I think every year it is like a spiral, but I like that this is more of a horizontal shape and not vertical. And the rest, I believe, is just lines. There are different quotes in here too from Heidi and Orville, the owners of Scentsy, essentially. I don't know if there's anything in the back. And then the very back it says, "Cheer up, Buttercup." Okay, just more quotes. Really cute. Yeah. So it's essentially to take notes, ideas. I know last year I took notes at World Tour. Looking forward to it this year. But that is my Scentsy World Tour Spirit Kit. It's a little simple, but we also ordered shirts as a team, so I'm looking forward to getting those. I can describe it. It is a light blue sweatshirt with a floral design, like flowers all over it, and it says Bloom. And on the back, it has all of our leaders, so all of the superstar directors within our very large team. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you're going to World Tour, I would love it if you would comment which city you're going to. I'm going to Louisville. If you have any interest in becoming a consultant, let me know that as well. But otherwise, I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.